Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in class 6 English. So we all know that this is our term 1 syllabus is going on. Term 1 syllabus is chapter 4 to chapter 7 and previously I taught chapter 4 and we had also completed chapter 5. Now the grammar is remaining. So I will teach you grammar. Now the grammar topic is coordinating conjunction. Now the first question is, what do you mean conjunction? Right? What do you mean conjunction? We says that conjunction, it is a seventh parts of speech. It is seventh parts of speech and it is to join to sentence and to words. It means conjunction means what? The words which joins to two words and sentences is known as what? Conjunction. Now join means what? It means connect. We call it linker also. It is connect and linker also. It is known as connect and linker also. Now these are the words. For example, Ram and Rahim are best friends. Now see, and it is what? Conjunction. Another example, Rohan is a fat boy but he runs fast. Now see, but is also conjunction. So these words, these two words, right? These two words connected by what? And. Here also these two sentences, Rohan is a fat boy, another word is he runs fast. But with the help of this word, but we connect, we join two sentences, that is why it's known as conjunction. Now, the new thing is what? The types of conjunction. Now, types of conjunction. Now there are three types of conjunction. One is coordinating, number two correlative, and number three subordinative conjunction. Subordinative conjunction. And in our syllabus, this conjunction that I will teach you. Now another thing is what? With the help of the conjunction, you will join the sentence and is known also compound sentence. Means with the help of conjunction there are two separate sentences. When you will join these two sentences with the help of conjunction, that's why this sentence known as compound sentences. Now, so let's start. I start the conjunction. Right? It means coordinating conjunction. Now coordinating conjunction means what? That it joins two sentence, two words. It joins two sentence, two words. It is known as coordinating conjunction. And in this coordinating conjunction, there are main 7 conjunction that I will teach you, and I make the one short form FANBOYS. It means fan boys. Right? Now you have a question, sir, how can we identify that which conjunction is here? Now F for A for and for nor, B for bird, O for or, Y for yard, and S for so. So I make this sentence fan boys, and particular I take first letter of all the conjunction, and there is a one acronyms, and the acronyms is fan boys. So students, you have to remember there are a main 7 conjunction in coordinating conjunction. I hope you understand this thing. So students, I told you that fan boys, right? But in your syllabus, which conjunction you have to learn, that I will teach you. Number 1, A for and, B for bird, O for or, and so for, S for so, and one another is S. This conjunction you have to learn in your syllabus. Now, so first of all, I will start with and. So, when we use and, so basically we know that we are using and to join two sentence and two words. For example, Ram, Rekha, Rohan, and Raghav, right, are best friends. Now see, these are the names, right? So each and every names we are not using conjunction, only which. So here, so the answer is Ram, Rekha, Rohan, and Raghav are best friends. Another thing that if we join two sentence, for example, now these are the joint two words. Now for example, of the two sentence, Pratik is a poor boy. Pratik is a honest. Right? So how we have to join? Now these two words, right? And honest, not a honest, and honest, and a poor boy. These two words. So we know that here Pratik is and Pratik is a common. So what is the answer? Pratik is a poor boy and honest. So see this. These two words we have to join with the conjunction and. So students, we are using this kinds of sentence. Another example is that Sachin is a batsman, Saurav is a batsman. So Sachin and Saurav are batsmen. Then Kavya is singing a song and Kavya is playing a piano. So Kavya is singing a song and playing a piano. See this, these are the words that with the help of and we join these two sentences. Now another word, another conjunction. Another conjunction is but. It is very easy conjunction. Why? Because it shows what? Opposition or opposite side. Opposition and opposite side. When we have to use, if we ask you that when but, we are using but when there is a contrast. Another word is that contrast also. Contrast in the sentence, that time we are using but conjunction. For example, Navya Navya has a fever. Navya went to school. See this thing. So, Navya has a fever, but he went to school. See this thing. Navya has ill, right? Navya has a fever, but still he went to school. He did not miss his school and he reached to school very on particular time. Another thing that Prakash is a thin boy. He runs very slowly. Say this. So once again, Prakash is a thin boy, but he runs very slowly. See this. Once again, the word but we have to use. Both the sentence we can see the contrast of the main subject's characters. Right? Contrast in subject characteristics. See that he has a fever, but still he went to school. He is a thin boy, but he runs very slowly. As we all know that if we are thin, right? If you or me are a thin boy, then we run very fast. We run very fast. But instead of he runs fast, he runs very slowly. So students, this is the use of the but. Now another conjunction is or. Now we are using or for choices. For choices. Now your question. Choices, right? For how, which are the choice we have. So, for example, do you like a tea or coffee? See this word. Coffee, right? Do you want to play cricket or carom? See this once again the word, right? So it is a choice, right? We are also using I will go to school by bus or by car. See this thing. This is the contrast. It means there is a choices between these two options. That time we are using or conjunction. And last is what? So and as. Now where we are using so and as. So and as we are using two joint sentence that gives the cause and result of an action. There is a cause and there is a result of an action. For example, Himesh was football fan. So he immediately recognized his favorite footballer. And number 2 is, as the people never discovered who the thief was, the fear of more such robberies remain. Now, here what? That cause of action, right? Cause of action, and another its result also. So what is the action's cause and what is the result that we have to learn in this conjunction? So Himesh was a football fan. His action is what? That he likes too much football and he was a very great friend of football. That's why, because of his football fan, because of he likes football, that's why he immediately recognized his favorite footballer. If you like too much, if you like to cricket, right? So immediately you recognize that he or she, he is Adam Gilchrist, he is Sachin Tendulkar, he is MS Dhoni, he is Brian Lara. Then after, because if you watch the cricket daily, then here is, as the people never discovered who the thief was, right? If you don't know anyone, if you hear this, that people never discovered, because in his area there is a robberies always happen, right? The dacoits arrive and they have to break down the door. So, but they don't know who is the thief. So, what is the cause? So robbery is remaining, because if you know, as the people never discovered who the thief was. If people knows, then not happen. But if they don't know, because of what? That the more such robberies are remaining in this area. So here action we know that, right? Here action and the result also know that. If they know, they are feeling relaxed. If they don't know, they are not feeling relaxed. So students, this conjunction topic is over, and with this help of the words, we are making the compound sentence. So students, here I complete my grammar topic. Thank you.